Hello students, now let us see the one topic from the solid state. They are saying that is define the unit cell. How is it characterized? Okay, so unit cell is what the smallest portion of the crystal lattice. Suppose student, we are having this is the large size the crystal I am having. Okay, this is the crystal lattice is there, student. Okay, this is the crystal lattice. Now in this crystal lattice there are so many unit cell are possible, student. Okay, there are so many unit cell are possible. So they are saying that is, they are asking that is, what is the unit cell? Okay, so this is unit cell. If you talk about, student, so one smallest portion here is one smallest portion is the unit cell of the crystal lattice. Okay, so this you can check out, student. This is supposed to be unit cell. Totally this is the crystal lattice. This is the crystal lattice. Okay, but if you talk about, dear student, if you talk about this portion, this is what is, that is unit cell. So smallest portion of the crystal lattice is known as unit cell, and when this unit cell is repeated in different direction, it generates the entire lattice. Okay, student. So that is what are the characteristics, student. So they are having the edge. Okay, they are having the edge, edge A, B, C, so 3 edge you will get, student. Okay, and there will be the angle also will be there between the A, B, C, edge length. Okay, so let us try to have the look in the slide, student, for better understanding. They are saying unit cell is the smallest portion of crystal lattice. So they have mentioned the unit cell. When repeated unit cell, when unit cell repeated in different direction, it generates the entire lattice. It means if you are having the small unit cell, dear students, this way, and you are repeating, okay, if you are repeating, okay, so what will happen, it will generate the entire crystal lattice, dear student. It will generate the entire crystal lattice. So you can make it out, the frame it out this way. So what it is doing, it is generating the entire crystal lattice if you are repeating, okay, this way. So this is what is known as crystal lattice, right, student? So what I am saying, dear students, that this is the crystal lattice, and this is what is unit cell. So you are repeating the unit cell, you will get the crystal lattice. That is what definition. A unit cell is characterized by 6 parameters. What are 6? Dimension A, B, C of unit cell along the 3 edge. These dimension may or may not be mutually perpendicular. So they are saying that is the edge are there A, and there are 3 dimension A, this is B, and this is C. 3 dimension are there. Angle A, B, alpha, beta, gamma between the edge. So edge are there BC, AC, AD, and angle between B and C, it is alpha, A and C beta, and A and B gamma. So this is what is the characteristics of the unit cell. Thank you so much for watching, dear student. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel.